Welcome to my channel Kids Learning Show. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.
ONE, one means egg. 2WO2, two means dough. THREE3, three means theme. FOUR4 means jar. five means पाँच. six means छः. seven means सात. EIGHT eight means आठ. NINE nine means नौ. TEN ten means 10.